Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto E13 and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Once you have your content prepared, simply press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. Oops, let's try that again. There we go. And when you let go, it captures a screenshot. As you can see, we have share and edit options visible for a brief moment, and after some time it just disappears. Once the screenshot disappears, you can then locate it in your gallery application. It will be visible somewhere right at the top, and also as you can see, it creates albums at the top, it looks like. Also folders. And if you navigate to folders, you will see one being called screenshots. In here, obviously, you will have only screenshots that you have captured over the time that, you had this phone. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.